I have some water boiling already, and I'm gonna throw in there 3 tomatoes. Just put them in there. And I'm also gonna use a couple Habanero Chilies. For this sauce, I'm just gonna remove the stem and throw them in there. This is a very simple sauce. We're not gonna use many ingredients. We are not doing any complicated procedures or anything. We'll just put them on the fire and let them boil for maybe 12-15 minutes. So now these have been boiling for a while, and you'll start noticing how the skin of the tomatoes start coming off by itself. It's perfectly normal, it comes almost by itself, and that's actually what we want. So we'll take it off, we'll take this part off. You can help with a knife, sometimes with a spoon or something, even with the hand if it's not too hot. And we're gonna do the same to every tomato. The chilies are perfectly fine the way they are, and we're gonna take this to the blender. Now we're just gonna throw everything in there, and we're gonna throw also a couple spoons of water, of the water they boiled in. This is because we're gonna still cook this, so we want some water there, so when it starts cooking it doesn't reduce too much. Now just blend it for a while, it doesn't need much time. Tomatoes are gonna be really soft already, and the chilies don't need much. Here I have a pan. It has been on maybe on number 3 out of 6 on the stove. It's a bit warm already. I'm throwing in some canola oil and some onion I chopped while the tomatoes were boiling. We're gonna cook this for a while. Again, we want it to be cooked to the point that it's almost see-through. Here we can see that the onion is almost ready. So we're just gonna take our blender and pour the mix into the pan. Here, you don't really want the pan to be too hot, because if not, when you pour it in there, it starts jumping all over, making a mess. So medium-low fire is perfectly fine. You'll see there's a couple lumps on the mix. You can just remove it or leave it there. I like taking it away so it looks even and nice. Now we're only missing some seasoning, and this is a very simple sauce. We want to taste the chilies, we want to taste the tomato, so the only thing I'm using is salt. I'm just throwing in some salt and let it boil for a while. We're gonna boil it maybe 5-10 minutes tops. We're just gonna mix it nicely and we'll leave it for a while. Here we can see that it has been boiling for a while, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and I already like this texture. If you like it thicker, then just leave it for a bit longer. And now we can serve. I'm gonna serve it in this plate, I love it. I'm gonna have it with some tortilla chips, or you can have it with tacos, with rice, with anything you want. You'll see the color, it's beautiful, and simple as that, you already have a really nice hot sauce. So if you like the video, subscribe, press like, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, write it down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.